What I've got here is some Coffee Mate, and I think we all have some of this around the house. Coffee Mate is a very fine white solid, and being a fine white solid, you might think it might be flammable. Let's grab barbecue lighter. And what you'll find is that, it doesn't do very well in terms of reactions. And in chemistry, when we have reactions that are slow, we try to make them fast. One thing that this is suffering from is surface area. There's not enough surface area in contact with the air. So what we'll do is we'll take this and spread it out and see if we can get a better reaction. So by just giving it a little more surface area, maybe using a little ketchup container here, we can actually get a little better reaction based on surface area.